All right, hey folks, what's up? You're welcome to this week's analysis session on FX Papi Institute. Now, as for those of you who are new to the channel, every week we pick pairs to analyze, but right now, currently, we've been following up three pairs: the US30, GBPUSD, and the AUDUSD. Now, please don't hesitate to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates and analysis. Now, if you also want me to analyze any pair for you, all you just have to do is comment in the section in the comment box below with the pair you would like me to analyze next week. And also you can join my Telegram channel for trading signals and updates. I'll leave the link to my Telegram channel in the description. Alright, US30. Now, last week or 2 weeks ago, we've been waiting for US30 to get into this fair value gap right here, and we'll be waiting to see the price action inside this fair value gap. But I noticed something on the weekly time frame on US30. We just cleared this high. Now, one thing about trading is that after a liquidity is taken higher or lower, it will still seek another liquidity before continuing its move. Now, I'm not trying to say the fair value gap I marked out isn't invalid or anything, but one thing is certain: there's liquidity just below the fair value gap. These are equal lows. Okay, and if you look at the bodies of the candle, how they are, you see that there's enough liquidity here, kind of like inducement. So for this for okay, now on the daily you can see it here. It's quite clear enough. There's huge liquidity right there. And this fair value gap, in order for me to consider this fair value gap as a valid fair value gap, I would have to wait for a break of market structure on a 1 hour time frame and not on a 1 minute time frame. Now, if you want to follow up on this pair, just join my Telegram channel below, because we'll follow up this pair vividly this week. So here's the objective: is either we wait for price to get into this fair value gap and then watch how price reacts inside this fair value gap, or we wait to see this low here, these equal lows taken. So those should be the objective, okay? Because I'm not sure if price will react from here. At the same time, I'm also not sure if price will clear these equal lows, okay? But these are just the objectives, okay? Now, I'm not saying when price gets here you start buying, because I said no. You wait to see the break of market structure on the 1 hour, and then same thing here. If price breaks this fair value gap, then we should be selling towards these equal lows, because this is where the liquidity, this is where the money is stacked, okay? So let's just see how this week would go inside this fair value gap once price gets to it. Now, for GBPUSD, I said something on the last week analysis, based on the fact that the market rejected from this fair value gap. I want to see this low 1.25917 taken, okay? Now, as you can see, the price has been moving progressively downward. Now, for our objective for this week on GBPUSD, I expect to see price get to this place or take out the liquidity at this high before falling. Now, remember, once GBP continues to sell, our objective should be 1.25917. So we either wait for, I want to see price reject from this point here. Why did I mark out that point? Because there's a fair value gap just right there. There's a fair value gap there, you can see it. So I want to see price reject from that point, or get back into this previous high I marked out on the 4 hour, which as you can see here is an order block. That's the bearish order block. So I want to see price react from one of these places, selling down to 1.25917. And now we move over to AUDUSD. Now AUDUSD, as you guys can see, the low of 0.65947 has been broken. Okay, it has been broken. Now, based on the fact that this low broke as a run, it broke as a like a normal breakout and not a run on stops, we should anticipate more selling pressure on AUDUSD. Now, here's the objective for this week on AUDUSD. If you look at what I just marked out, that's another block. That's a bearish order block, the last candle before the decline. And close to that other block, in fact not even close to the other block, the other block is what formed this fair value gap. A fair value gap consists of 3 candles, 1 2 3. Now the gap is from the low of the candle of the first candle to the high of the third candle. Okay, that's on a bearish market. As for a bullish market, it's vice versa. So now I expect price to get into this other block or inside this fair value gap. That's where we should see price reacting from, selling down. But I think I will take the other block. Okay, but if price decides to reject from inside this fair value gap, I'll still be able to sell as well, because I think for now we should continue to see more selling pressure on AUDUSD. So guys, that's it for this week's analysis on Papi Institute. Please, if you have a question, just ask your question in the comment box. Don't forget to like, don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. Now every week I'm going to be posting analysis. So like I said before, if you want me to analyze any pair for you, just put it in the comment section, and on my next video I'm going to analyze that pair for you. So I wish you good luck and good trading this week, guys. Take care.